Srnubi 2-DIN Android 11 car radio for LADA BA3 Granta Cross 2018-2019, GPS navigation CarPlay, multimedia video player, stereo DVD. Srnubi 2-DIN Android 11 car radio questions and answers. 1. Why can't turn on the car radio? 1.1. Please check the voltage of car radio. 12V. 1.2. When you test this car radio, you can combine the red and yellow wires and connect them to the positive side of the power supply. Black line to negative power supply. 1.3. Replace the same type of insurance to test the car radio. Note: please must use our power cables to connect our car radio. It is not possible to insert the original car plug directly into our machine. 2. Why the car radio will show no signal when we reversing. Please check if the camera's line is properly connected to the car radio. Note the video port of rear camera must insert the cam in port of car radio. 3. Why does the camera display and can't watch video while driving? When I use USB to watch videos, please turn off the video warning function in the settings, then we'll be okay. 4. Why can't search FM? 4.1. No radio antenna inserted. 4.2. Please check if the radio antenna is plugged in. Please insert more antennas several times to make it well contacted. 4.3. The signal of your location is not good. Please go to a better place to test again. 4.4. The radio antenna on the car is broken. No effect. Please replace the radio antenna and test again. 5. Why can't connect the Bluetooth of car radio? 5.1. Open the phone settings interface. Open the Bluetooth in the Bluetooth function. Search for Bluetooth devices. Find the player's Bluetooth model to be paired. If you need a pairing code, enter 0000. If not, try 1234 or 123,456. 5.2. Please try to use another mobile phone to test this function. Please check if the Bluetooth receiving antenna is properly connected. All methods are correct and still cannot use Bluetooth. Please unplug the plug on the back of the player and plug it in after 3 minutes. 6. Bluetooth signal is weak. Wi-Fi signal is weak. Please check and reconnect the yellow rear camera input connector. There are 2 short cables. They are the extension cords of the Bluetooth antenna and the Wi-Fi antenna, or you can extend them to enhance the signal. 7. The navigation map does not work. Check whether the GPS has a signal. Click GPS signal detection. If there is a signal, then reinstall a new map or open the mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. If there is no GPS signal, leave the garage and test the GPS interface voltage on the road. The voltage must be 3.3 V, otherwise the GPS antenna should be replaced.